Hey everyone, thank you for tuning into the channel. Today we're going to be going over quick shots on the DJI Mavic Mini. It has been a pretty high demand on new flyers wanting to know how exactly to do the quick shots and get that cinematography footage that you are wanting to get out of the Mavic Mini, because it does have the capabilities. So stay tuned to the end, because after I show you guys how to perform the quick shots, I'm going to be showing you a couple quick shot cinematography things that I've put together. So you guys stay tuned to the end. I'll see you there.
Check it on the map.
So we're going to start off today and go ahead and press the automatic takeoff button. Hold that down for a second.
Takeoff. The home point has been updated.
We're going to click over into record mode, press 2.7K. We're going to go to quick shot, and we're going to do the helix first. So what you're going to do is you're going to draw over the object that you want and press
3,
start.
2, 1.
You'll see the countdown. And what helix does is it descends in it ascends in an upward spiraling motion, going up the further it goes around. It's pretty nice. Quick shots are basically if you just want to, changing my mode to cinematic so it doesn't take up so much battery. When it's done, it will come back on its own to where it started. Now, as I was saying, quick shots are good if you want to get some cinematic footage and you're not very good with the joysticks yet. Get some nice cinematic footage with them on subjects. Alright, now we're going to go to circle mode. Draw another box around the goal.
3,
press start.
2, 1.
Go. Circle mode just only circles the subject. It stays in its height and altitude and just circles the subject. And I'm going to go ahead and stop it. And now we're going to switch and go into the last quick shot mode, which is droning. And this one just takes off backwards and goes up in the air.
3,
press start.
2, 1.
Once again, you'll see it take off. And I like this shot a lot. It's very unique. You can get the Penske truck in the back. Then it'll come right back home. Hey guys, thanks for watching till the end. So I do not have a circle me in this one, but I do have the rocket, the helix, and the droney with a little cinematic footage put together for you guys. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to turn that bell on so you can get notified when I make other things, and don't forget to comment below with any questions or anything that you would like to know or like for me to do a tutorial on. Thank you guys again.